Welcome back sa kusina ni Tita Ching.
Good evening, everyone! This is Tita Ching Kitchen again. Ayan. Tonight, someone has a present. Dumating na ang present ni Jan. So, it is early present, Christmas present. So, hindi na siya makapag-antay na i-unbox. So, tingnan natin kung ano ba ito na kanyang hindi na siya makapag-antay para i-unbox. So, tignan natin kung ano yung present ni Jan na hindi na siya maantay. Okay, so there you go. This is John, my eldest son, having his, what do you call this? His early present unboxing daw siya. Okay, have a look what you ordered online. Ayan. Is that what you really wanted for Christmas? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see what is it.
Convent. The black box.
Oh. Box pa lang. Ako na. Baka ilagay sa isang bag para
There you go.
Predator. Oh, come close. Predator?
Predator.
Okay. Let me see. Predator. Okay. Alright. So open that. Open up that. Is it a big one that is?
Yeah. It looks small on the picture.
Let's see.
I don't want to break the box though.
Wow.
This is nice.
Oh wow, who's there? Come here. Jan is opening his present. Yeah, unboxing.
Acer.
You wanna go there? Is it Acer?
Ooh.
It looks very. Oh.
Another box.
Okay. Okay, so what is it? Okay, so open then.
It's a
Is the a box? It's still a box.
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh shit. Ooh. I don't want to drop it though.
It's a nice box.
Oh. I forgot the tape. Other one.
What is it? Is a nice laptop. Oh my god, Predator. Predator. Okay.
The power leads is in there.
Yeah?
Do you want me to open the whole thing?
Yeah, open it to show it that thing in turn it on. Is it gonna be turning on? What name of a laptop is that then? What name?
Acer.
Acer.
Yeah.
Why it called Predator then? Is it a gaming laptop?
It's a powerful thing there.
Oh,
That's
so
why
apparently it's a gaming laptop. So I am
so
very
it can run everything.
quicker. That is a very quick. All right, guys. So that is a gamer laptop apparently. It's a Predator laptop.
I mean, they got 3 gaming laptop. This one in the middle budget thing.
That is already a budget thing.
There's
1K plus budget thing already, my lord.
yeah. There's more expensive than this.
Okay, so how much is that? 1.5 if it is not a thing, is it? If it is full price. but you got it because it's
Black Friday.
Black Friday. You order it on Black Friday, so it became
This
112.
fingerprint.
Is it 12 or 13?
1-3.
13. Okay, so you got 200 discount.
There you go.
Alright. Okay, can you turn it on if it is more? Oh, maybe there's no battery, so maybe you don't have it. So what you can say about your present, your birthday not birthday, Christmas present. Jan is a Christmas present for himself. We just contribute a little bit, but most of it, it's his money. So that is the good thing or positive side of having a job, isn't it? Yeah, and Jan, mind you, Jan is have a very deep pocket. Very short hand. Yeah, so that's why he can afford to buy this lappy. Okay, so that's it. It's a good one. It is a gaming laptop, apparently.
You don't want to go into this.
Okay, so Merry Christmas, everyone. Sana all. Say bye-bye then to my viewers, Jan. And say Merry Christmas to my...
Thank you for watching, guys.
Yes, thank you.
Merry Christmas and
Happy New Year.
how do you
Right, so there is another... What is that content there then? Let's have a look. Is it a warranty?
Let's see.
So there is a warranty. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
How many years warranty?
I'll check later, but there's a sticker though.
Oh, look at the sticker. Can I have a look at the sticker? What you gonna do with that sticker?
You can put it on the side of the thing.
Oh, Planet. Was that? It says Planet 9.
Yeah.
.gg. Whatever that is. And what else? The content of that?
It's the setup guide
Yeah, there's a setup guide.
and
Instruction, is it? No.
yeah, whatever this is. It's a product name.
Okay, so what's the other in that box? Let me see. Let me see that. Oh, it looks like heavy.
It's heavy.
Let me see.
Use. Oh dear. Oh, it is heavy. Oh my
it's
god.
A charger. That's a charger.
A big charger. Dang. Oh wait. What?
Did you order it Friday?
No. Thursday night.
Oh, that's quick, isn't it?
It's taking less than 2 days to get here.
Yeah, apparently it's supposed to be 7 to 10 days, but then apparently.
It's okay. Yeah.
Yes, fine. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, so that's it.
It's big though.
Is it by Saturday?
Yeah.
It's
Where did
heavy.
you order it? Amazon, is it?
Huh? Amazon? No. Paris.
Ah, you ordered it. Caris. Yeah, it's PDP who came and delivered it. Alright guys, so that was it. That's all about it. And yes. So see you again in my next vlog. So bye. Say again bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And what will you say for my viewers, John?
Come back again real soon because we're got
And
more
subscribe.
videos coming up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Like and comment below what you think.
Like
Thank
and
you.
share. Bye. Okay.
It sounds
Your
nice.
region is set to United Kingdom. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct? Yes. Oh,
Yes.
computer is talking.
Ooh.
Your keyboard is set to United Kingdom. Would you like to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Escape.
Now, let's get you connected to a network. That way, you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
What?
How about the first one on the list? Would you like to use that one?
Yes.
This is cool.
Yes.
Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye! Mega love shoutout lahat po sa aking mga channel members. There we are.